Thank you, have a good day. Happy 2025, everybody. I hope everyone had a fantastic 2024. 2024 might be one of my favorite years I've had in a very long time. I just enjoyed life a lot in the second half, and I'm a fan of that. I just got a white hot chocolate with a chai tea bag in it, and it's my new obsession from Tim's. I thought I'd bring you guys along for my 2025 reset. I'm low-key kind of late into this, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like a reset can be whenever you want, you know? It doesn't have to be right when 2025 hits or right before it. So midway through, basically at the end of January, we're doing our reset. Just from seeing the past few weeks of what 2025 has in store, and the fact that I am graduating university and have to be like an adult now is just kind of a little bit terrifying. But I'm excited, and I'm hoping to, you know, get a good vibe. I feel like I keep hearing everyone be like, 2025 is gonna be great, I'm so excited for 2025. But yeah, I want to do a lot. I want to clean my space. I want to go through my closet, get rid of clothes I don't wear because I feel like my style has changed a lot, and I want to add more color to it. I want to dust. I have a lot of like collectible thingamajiggies that I have, or like my background if you watch my streams. I haven't dusted that in a minute, but I want to go clean all of that up. And I hope you will join me. You know, if you've been putting off cleaning something, maybe throw this on in the background and we'll both get shit done. So, I just went through all my clothes and I cleaned up behind my mirror that I had, and also the hook above my door, and it's looking a lot more not as bulky. I'm thinking of putting my cosplay into my cosplay bin that I have because it does take up quite a lot of room. But I'm kind of sad that I didn't have as much clothes as I thought I was gonna have to donate, but at least I have something. I got rid of some things. I have an issue of like holding on to clothes because like it's sentimental, like, you know, maybe I want it at school or something, and it's like, I've never worn this before, why am I keeping this? It's also funny because I want to, like, challenge myself to wear more colors, and I feel like I just got rid of, like, the most colorful things in the world. I want color, but they're just not my style, and they're very, like, I feel like teenagey, if that makes sense. But I want to go take down my photo wall that I have behind my PC. As much as I love Star Wars, I just feel like it doesn't fit the vibe in my room, and I want to redo it. It's too big of a collage, and it's also been on my wall for 5 years. And I feel like it's 2025, fresh start, let me get rid of something very familiar and change up my room. Ideally, I would love to move my bed and my PC setup, but my room is a little bit too small to do any other arrangement than this that I have right now. But let's go take down this wall. Honestly, it's held up pretty well. I don't think a single photo has fallen. First photo off. I don't know. It's a little bit of wall damage. I understand why it hasn't fallen off. I taped it on. Stupid me. this is weird. I have not seen my wall like this in such a long time. Also, I don't think I thought about wall damage because I used like tape on every single one of these. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Fixing a wall, different day issue. Now we go and dust. Yay! So, for the new year, I decided to do something different with planning my life. Being in university, especially my last year of university, I need to really stay organized. So I decided to get a physical planner. I think I got a physical planner in my first year of university, and I just never used it. But I have made a commitment to actually use this planner. I think for the past like 2 years, I've been using a Notion board. And honestly, I'm still a fan of it. I still use it. Like, I'm using a Notion board and the planner just because it's nice to have if I'm out and I don't have this with me. But I am kind of addicted to using this. This is just a planner from Muji. I have some stickers that I got. These 3 are from Fan Expo. And then I just have this cat sticker from this, like, Amazon collection thing that I got for Christmas. But it's pretty simple. The days are all plain and I get to customize it any way that I want. This is kind of what my layout looks like for every single week. I have everything I have scheduled right here. I have anything that's due or I have to do during that day. I have a habit tracker. Some of the habits that I have are taking my vitamins, having water, sleeping before 1 a.m., exercising, no spending, no fast food, and washing my face. Very simple habits, but I don't do it a lot. I have a sleep tracker, and I also have a mood tracker. And then below here, I haven't wrote it yet, but I really just do like reminders throughout the week that I need. So if that's like, I need to pay my credit card off, I need to do homework, work on it, maybe something that's reoccurring every single day, stuff like that goes in there. But normally I add a lot more stickers. In the back of the journal, it just has some normal ass grid paper, and this is where I put my resolutions and goals, which is a new thing for me. I have never been one to do resolutions or goals. I've always been like, who cares? But I decided to make some for this year. This is my bingo board that I made. And I don't know if we'll see. I'll make an update video at the end of the year if I actually hit all these bingo goals. So, the first one, a very difficult one, is graduate university. If you guys don't know, I'm in my 4th year of university. So hopefully this will be a free tick. We have get a new piercing. I only have 1 piercing right now. Go on a hike. Use this planner all year. So far going good. Make a new friend. New car. I don't have a car, but a car would be cool. Cook once a month. I want to get better at cooking. I cooked a lot in August when my boyfriend was here, and I really did enjoy it. Run a 5K with my boyfriend. Me and my boyfriend went on a run in the summer, and I have this thing where when I run, my legs get really itchy to the point that I have to itch them till they bleed. And according to Google, that's because I don't exercise enough. Post 5 YouTube videos. Hi! get a new job, go to the doctors, try a new hobby. This could be, I don't really want to get into pottery, like making physical pottery. I have a free space of made it to 2025. I can actually check that one off. Yay! The next goal that I added is have a morning routine. I just kind of wake up, lay in bed for 30 minutes, then get ready in 10 minutes and leave. So I would like a more fleshed out morning routine. Then I have try 5 new foods. I'm a very picky person, so we'll see. Eat less than 5 fast food in a month. It is currently the 17th of January. I have used 4 out of my 5 fast food that I can eat. So we're going strong. We're doing great so far. Hit 1,500 subs on YouTube, so if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and help me hit my goal. We shall see, we shall see. No acne. I didn't have acne throughout high school. I was very blessed for that. But something hit last year and I had the worst acne I've ever had. It has cleared up, but I do have some acne scars and I have a lot that happens on my forehead. So hopefully this year we have, glass skin, clear. Read 3 books. I'm not a book girly, but I watch a lot of vlogs and everyone is reading books. Everyone's in like their book era and I feel like that will be good for my memory, good for me, and could be fun if I find a book I'm actually interested in. Because I have this issue when I read, is that I read a sentence, I don't comprehend anything that happens in the sentence, and I reread it. So I think if you guys have any book suggestions, feel free to give me some. For my first book, I think I'm just going to read the Hunger Games series because I have never read the Hunger Games, but I love the movies and I know that they're not exactly the same. And also, I do know that the Haymitch Hunger Games book is coming out, and I don't know if I should watch the movie and then read the book, or read the book and then watch the movie. Next one I have is get my full driver's license. I currently have a temporary driver's license until like 2026, so I kind of got to get on that to get my permanent one. We have a good nighttime routine, same thing as morning routine. Save $5,000, go to a concert. I have 2 concerts planned already. I'm gonna go see Phineas in Boston, and then I have Gracie Abrams later on in the year. So that's a definite check. I cut my hair short. I cut my hair decently short this summer, but I want to go like shorter. I'm thinking like Gracie Abrams kind of short would be kind of fun. I have like a photo of me leaning my head on my boyfriend and my hair is around that length and I was like, it doesn't look the worst. And then my last one on my 2025 bingo board is get a tattoo. I have been wanting a tattoo for like the past, since I was 18. The issue is I don't know what to get for the tattoo and I overthink every single thing and I don't know where to put the tattoo. I don't know what it should be. Should it be significant? Should it just be for fun? I would like to get a tattoo this year, but we shall see. We shall see if that gets ticked off. But hopefully you guys can come along for the ride for all those bingo checks, and hopefully you guys can see if I actually get a bingo, a full board, or even just a row. I'll be happy. And then another new thing I want to do is make a mood board. I've never made a mood board. I don't really know. A mood board, vision board, whatever you want to call it. But I do like Pinterest, so I'm gonna go scroll that and see if I can find some things that I want to manifest into the new year. So let's go do that. never did an outro. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope this video helped you get ready for 2025 and do a little reset in your own life. I hope this outro gives you 2015 vibes, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!